Hello beautiful people and welcome back to another video by your girl here, Big Bubbly Beauty. So today's video is going to be very exciting. We're going to be unboxing the FabFitFun Advent Calendar. Now I believe it's only a 12-day Advent calendar, so it's not a full 24. Yeah, it's a 12-day Advent calendar. And I don't remember the price offhand, so I'll put it up here or here. One of those two. But FabFitFun usually has amazing products. Usually they're all full-sized. So I thought, why not? You know, it's a good brand. I'm gonna try it out. It was part of their fall add-ons. And I was like, I want to try this. I want to try the FabFitFun Advent Calendar. I don't think I've seen anybody do this before. So here we are. Now it's got like really big panel doors because, as I said, I think everything's full size. So I'm just gonna be putting it in front of me while I dig into it because I don't really trust it otherwise to not fall down. So we'll start off with page number 1. Okay, it's this Chic and Tonic wine tumbler. Or are these the little like stubby wine things? I think I have these and I think I love these. Yes, it is. Okay, what color are you in? It's got a little ombre effect, and I like these because they have the lids you can pop out. And it's got a little spout to drink out of. And it's like stainless steel or metal on the inside. And these lids, and you kind of like, it's like a sippy cup, but for wine. Which is obviously, yeah, needed and loved. Not wanting to expose myself too much, but needed and loved. I mean, I'm excited to have that. I like the Chic and Tonic wine tumblers. I have a lot already, but I quite like that color. It's like an ombre blue. I like that. Nice. Of course, now the sun's coming out and my lighting's going all crazy again. But okay, moving on. Day number 2. Okay. So this is a like little travel bottle thing. So you can put your shampoos, conditioners, hair gel, liquid soap, hairspray, etc. inside, cleared for takeoff. I guess these are all under 100 mils. There's a little like, what are they called? The cups that kind of go like this and then have a little spout. Funnel. They have little funnels to help you, put the products in. And a little spatula to help you scoop it out. And this is actually, yeah, I would use this because we're going on a big trip and this would actually be quite useful. Cool. Then I won't have to bring my whole thing of like face moisturizer. I could bring a smaller thing because realistically you're not going to go through that much face moisturizer in like 2 months. So yeah, all right. Interesting array of stuff so far. Oh, Summer and Rose sock and scrunchie set. Now I'm actually going to leave this in the package because I obviously can't use scrunchies right now. So while these look like very cozy socks, my mother-in-law actually makes me socks and I prefer those. So I'm going to pass this along, keep it in the package, and just give this as a set to someone else. But cute little set. You got 3 pairs of socks and 2 scrunchies. Nice. Satin pillowcase. Kitsch Beauty. Now it is satin polyester. I think I've made my point clear on how I feel about the satin mimics for the silk pillowcases and that I don't believe that they work. I really do think that you need the silk. I don't think the polyester is going to do the same thing because it's about the fibers and how they catch and stuff. And so I'm going to pass it along because I'm not going to use that. Number 5. Oh, smaller door this time. What are you? Ooh, rosy blush color. Ooh, nude sticks, all over face blush color. Multi-Luxe Balm. Oh, so it's for like cheeks, eyes, and lips. Kind of torn on things that kind of have multi-uses because then like the formula is not universal. So I think the formula for a good blush is different than the formula for a good lip color and the formula for a good eyeshadow. So I'm never a big fan because they do one thing really good, but they like tout themselves as being good at multiple things. I do like that the colors match because then you can make your look more cohesive. But I don't know how I feel about like 3-in-1 products. Should say I know how I feel about 3-in-1 products. I just don't like them. But this looks like a really nice like mauvey dusky color. Let's just try it on the back of my hand. Yeah, that's a color I can get behind. That's quite nice actually. And then on the other side it has a little brush. Now I think that would make a good blush. Whether that would make a good lip product, I don't know. Eyeshadow, I don't know. but neat. I'm excited to try it. 6. Ooh, Glossier. Okay, so this is the Glossier Super Pure Niacinamide and Zinc Serum. I don't know what that's supposed to do. What does niacinamide and zinc do? Does it help with acne? I did like Glossier. They are overpriced for the skincare, for sure. I'd have to look up what that does to decide whether or not I actually want to keep that. But I think maybe, yes, I'll keep it. Depends on what it actually does. All right. Interesting array of selection so far, which is kind of what I expected from a FabFitFun box. You kind of just get a little bit of everything. The advent calendar is no exception to that. You get a little bit of everything. Let's go with number 7. The Big Bang Ather Beauty. Made with 100% recycled ocean plastic and a biodegradable wand. What exactly is it? Oh, it's a mascara. Okay. I mean, I'm probably due for a new mascara, so cool. Let's just see. I mean, it's hard to say until you actually try it out, but I don't see an issue with that. Okay, I got a new mascara. Very interesting array of things. Volumizing, curls, restores, defines. So volumizing mascara. Cool. Number 8. So this is Aceology Vitamin Brightening Biodegradable Mask. Illuminates, exfoliates, and strengthens. Okay, there's 3 one-time masks in here. So 3 pieces. So 3 masks, which is good. Because it was like Adore as just a mask in an advent calendar like this. It feels a little disappointing. But if it's 3, that's actually not terrible. So, okay. Brightening face masks to try out. Sure. I guess. I don't know. I don't really know how to feel about half of these things because they're just like completely random. All right, number 9. Very interesting color. Okay. The Beauty Crop. Lychee. What is it? Doesn't actually say. It just says lychee. I'm gonna guess it's a lip thing. But this side looks incredibly separated. I don't actually know if I would trust that. Let's see. Let's try shaking it. It's still sealed. It's just it looks separated. Like, I don't actually think that's safe. I'm gonna bin that because I don't trust that unless it has a it's a juice pot lip duo, so it's a lip product. Yeah, but it's so separated. I don't actually think that. I think that's expired. Okay. That was just a really bad product. Who knows? Okay, moving on to number 10. I'm like, that one just went straight in the bin. I don't trust that. Number 10 is Velvet Luxe Vegan Body and Hand Cream with virgin olive and avocado oil tangerine glow. Is this a self-tanner? I guess it's a self-tanner? I've never used self-tanner before. So I actually don't know how I feel about it. I feel like I don't need it. I'm gonna put that in the giveaway pile just because I'm like, I haven't used it before. I highly doubt I'm gonna start using it now. Yeah, I don't see a point to it, really. So I'm gonna put this in the giveaway. Well, giveaway as in gift to my friends. I'm not a big enough channel to like have giveaways. All right, number 11. You're getting there. This is the second last item. Oh, Perfect Repair Treatment Mask, Color Safe. Color Safe, yes! I actually need a color safe conditioner because my hair feels like straw, but I don't actually have a color safe conditioner right now. That's amazing. So that was actually, I will use that very soon. Yay, hair care. Okay, number 12. Oh, that's a little disappointing as the 12th day to have a Spongel body wash thing. Like, I would have expected 11 and 12 to be reversed because you kind of go from like something a little bit more expensive to something very inexpensive as the final day. It's a little bit disappointing as a final day item. But this is the Spongel Peony Blush Exfoliator. Like, I like these, but I don't know how I feel about the smell. Nope. Okay. Well, that was everything. That's everything in this big, massive advent calendar. How do I feel about that? I feel like I need to know what the price is before I, like, not just for you guys, but for me too, before I make my final thoughts. Because that was weird. That was a very odd array of things. Oh boy. Okay. Not worth it. It was $90. $90. It's more than the box. You get less choice than the box. Yeah, no, not worth it. Probably wouldn't recommend it unless you absolutely adore the stuff that's in it. Like, things that I'm gonna try: this Glossier Super Pure, the mascara, the hair mask, the tumbler, obviously, the travel set, and the sheet mask, and this blush thing. Now, if I put that all together, I'd pay probably like 40, maybe $50 for that in the add-on sale rather than 90. Stuff I binned the one thing because I'm pretty sure it was expired, which is a little bit like, for a $90 advent calendar, maybe make sure your items aren't expired before you put them in. Like, it might not have said it was expired, but just purely on how it looked, it was super separated. The oil had separated completely from the color. Like, it was expired. Anyways, for an expired item, and then like 1, 2, 3, 4 items that I won't use. So I kept 7, didn't like 5, and for the 7 items, I paid $90. Not worth it. Not worth it. Sorry, and this is my opinion. I feel like you can get a lot more if you just buy the add-ons and you buy what you want. You could probably make your own version of that advent calendar with just stuff that you want. Like, for instance, the Spongel thing. I love Spongels, but I hate the smell. Would not have picked it. Normally they nail it. I would say this one was a swing and a miss. But that is just my opinion. I mean, if there's stuff in here that you love, like, go for it, because there's a lot of stuff in here, and if you like most of it, then yeah, it's worth it, especially if you like almost all of it. You usually get really good deals, but I just find that these were a little bit on the disappointing side. And maybe it's just also too because I don't know the price breakdown of everything that's in it. Maybe it's worth a lot more than I think it is. And that tends to happen with the FabFitFun boxes, is they use higher end brands, so the stuff costs more than you think it does. But looking at all that stuff, I don't see the value. Like, I don't think you're getting that much of a discount. Whereas, like, for advent calendars, maybe it's just me, but I expect at least a 50% discount because you're buying stuff blind and you don't know whether or not you'll like it. And so I expect it like 50% off MSRP, which I don't know if we got with that. Actually, I highly doubt we got that. So, I don't know. I don't like it. Sorry. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. What was your favorite item? Do you think I'm being too harsh on it? Like, do you think this is actually worth the cost of the advent calendar? I feel like the Glossy box and the Look Fantastic advent calendars, or at least the Glossy box advent calendar, is similar in cost. You get 25 items. They give you a price breakdown of each item, and it feels more worth it. Whereas, like, this was almost the same amount as the Glossy box advent calendar, and you get 12 items, and it just doesn't feel as worth it. So I think that's where it's coming from. But let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and I will see you next time, beautiful people. Bye.